Everyone, now in our structure analysis 1, today we are going to see some equation of static indeterminacy and kinetic indeterminacy. Now before we going to see our next topic, in a previous video we saw that possible displacement at various support. So there are different type of supports like a hinge or a pin support, roller support, fixed support. So in a hinge support, vertical reaction will prevent vertical displacement, horizontal reaction will prevent horizontal displacement, and only rotation is permitted in the hinge support. Then roller support. So in a roller support, vertical reaction will be prevent vertical displacement, rotation and horizontal displacement are permitted. Fixed support. So fixed support, vertical reaction will prevent vertical displacement, horizontal reaction will prevent horizontal displacement, moment will prevent rotation, no displacement are possible at fixed support. Then degree of freedom per joint. So degree of freedom per joint, so there are plane truss and plane frame, space truss and space frame. So in a plane truss, two number of reaction delta x and delta y. In a plane frame, three number of reaction are delta x, delta y and theta z. Space truss, three number there are delta x, delta y and delta z. Space frame, six number delta x, delta y, delta z, theta x, theta y and theta z. Now for a pin jointed plane truss, at each joint two displacement are possible. पिन जॉइंट प्लेन ट्रस होगा और प्लेन ट्रस के अंदर पिन जॉइंट होगा. एट दैट टाइम each joint have two displacement delta x and delta y are possible. So dk is equal to twice j minus r, where twice j equal to total displacement of all joint equal to number of equation of compactability. So the number of equation of compactability is equal to the number of constraints imposed by the support conditions. As each independent external reaction component provide a constraint again linear moment, the number of equation of compactability is equal to the number of independent external reaction component, E equal to R, where R equal to number of external reaction component. So at that time dk is equal to twice j minus r. Now for a rigid jointed plane frame, at each joint three displacement delta x, delta y, theta z are possible. So dk equal to twice j minus r. For a pin jointed space truss, at joint three displacement delta x, delta y, delta z are possible. So dk is equal to 3j minus r. Now next is for a rigid jointed space frame. So at each joint six displacement delta x, delta y, delta z, theta x, theta y, theta z are possible. So at that time dk is equal to 6j minus r. So if in extensibility of member is considered, axial deformation of member is neglected, the number of constraint or the number of compactability equation due to the inextensibility of the member is equal to the number of member. So degree of kinematic indeterminacy neglecting axial deformation for a plane truss is equal to twice j minus r plus m. ठीक है, शॉर्ट फॉर्म में क्या बोलेंगे उसको, डी के एन ए डी, डी के एन ए डी. सो डी के एन ए डी इज इक्वल टू ट्वाइस जे माइनस in bracket r plus m is for plane truss, dk and AD 3j minus r plus m for a plane frame, dk and AD 3j minus r plus m for a space truss, dk and AD is equal to 6j minus r plus m for a space frame, or dk and AD equal to dk minus m. So in case of beams with internal hinge or a link, dk is equal to 3 in bracket j plus j dash minus r plus r. So dk and AD equal to dk minus m. Now equation of for static indeterminacy and kinetic indeterminacy. So here different type of structure and their static indeterminacy and kinetic indeterminacy. So for a beam, ds equal to capital R minus small r, where r is equal to number of reaction, capital R equal to number of reactions, small r equal to number of condition of equilibrium, and kinetic indeterminacy dk equal to twice j minus r. So dk and AD equal to dk minus m. Static indeterminacy ds equal to small r capital R minus r. याद रखो r equal to number of reaction, small r equal to number of condition of equilibrium, and kinematic indeterminacy dk is equal to 3j minus r, and degree of kinematic indeterminacy neglecting axial deformation is equal to dk minus m. Plane truss, pin jointed, so static indeterminacy dsc equal to capital R minus r, dsi equal to m plus r minus twice j, ds equal to dsc plus dsi, or ds equal to m plus r minus twice j. And kinematic indeterminacy dk equal to twice j minus r, and dk and AD equal to dk minus m. Plane frame for a rigid jointed, dsc equal to capital R minus r, dsi equal to 3c, ds equal to dsc plus dsi, c equal to number of closed cell. So ds equal to dm 3m plus r minus 3j. Kinematic indeterminacy dk 3j minus r, dk and AD equal to dk minus m. Now next is a plane frame with a internal hinge. So dsc equal to capital R minus r, dsi equal to 3c minus rr, ds equal to 3se plus dsi, or ds equal to 3m minus rr plus r 3I plus j. Now for a grid, dsc equal to static indeterminacy capital R minus r, dsi equal to 3c, c equal to number of closed cell, ds equal to dsc plus dsi, and ds equal to 3m plus r minus 3j. कोई भी एक अप्लाई कर सकते हो इक्वेशन. देन काइनेमेटिक इंडिटर्मिनेंसी dk is equal to 3j minus r, dk and AD equal to dk. In a rigid member there is no axial force. Now here figure is given. It is one of the cantilever beam, one end fixed and another free. At the free end there are three displacement, delta x1, delta y1 and theta 1. ठीक है, two displacement and one rotation. So here reaction fixed support है, fixed support पे तीन reaction आएंगे. Horizontal, vertical and moment. So r equal to 1. member कितना है 1. So m equal to 1. joint कितना है 2. So it is j equal to 2. So we have equation kinematic indeterminacy, dk equal to 3j minus r. So 3 into 2 minus 3, so it is 3. It is theta 1, delta x1 and delta y1. Three joint displacement are possible. Joint displacement are shown in figure. However, the axial deformation in case of beam are neglected, and therefore delta x1 is equal to 0. Kinematic indeterminacy is equal to 2, theta 1 and delta y1. So dk and AD equal to 3j minus r plus m, 3 into 2 minus 3 plus m. So it is 2 theta 1 and delta y1. Now second example, here beam is given, one supported is roller support and one is hinge support. So at that time दो रोटेशन आएंगे, थीटा 1 थीटा 2 and horizontal reaction at support 2 it is delta x1. So reaction कितना आएगा hinge पे horizontal vertical और roller पे only vertical. So it is 2 plus 1 it is r equal to 3. member कितने हैं 2, ठीक है. joint कितने हैं 2. So we have equation dk equal to 3j minus r. So 3 into 2 minus 3. So it is 3 theta 1 theta 2 and delta x1. Now dk and AD we have equation 3j minus r plus m. So 3 into 2 minus 3 plus 1. So 2. So it is theta 1 theta 2. Now next example or next figure is a fixed beam is given, both support have fixed support. So here 6 reaction are there because fixed beam है, 3 reaction आएगी horizontal vertical and moment. So दोनों side 3 3. So r equal to 3 plus 3 it is equal to 6. joint कितने हैं 2, member कितने हैं 1. So dk is equal to 3j minus r. To 3 into 2 minus 6, so it is 0. The fixed beam is kinematically determinate. Same fourth example, ठीक है. Continuous beam is given. Number of support are there. First is a hinge, second two is a roller, and last is free support. So first hinge support there are 2 reaction, horizontal vertical, roller support only vertical reaction, and third roller support it is also vertical reaction. So r equal to 2 plus 1 plus 1, so it is 4. joint कितने हैं 1 2 3 and 4. So 4 joint are there. member कितने हैं 1 2 3. So dk equal to 3j minus r. joint कितने हैं 4. So 3 into 4 minus 4, so it is 8. Now dk and AD we have equation for that 3j minus r plus m. joint is equal to 4. So 3 into 4 minus 4 plus 3, so it is 5. कौन कौन से आएंगे डिस्प्लेसमेंट थीटा 1 थीटा 2 थीटा 3 थीटा 4 एंड डेल्टा y1. सेम है एग्जाम्पल फिफ्थ, ठीक है. 2 support is there, one is hinge and roller. So 3 reaction are there, 2 plus 1, member are 3, joint are 4. So dk equal to 3j minus r. So 3 into 4 minus 3 is equal to 9. कौन कौन से हो गए थीटा 1 थीटा 2 थीटा 3, डेल्टा x1 डेल्टा x2 डेल्टा x3 डेल्टा y1 and डेल्टा y2. So if axial deformation are neglected, delta x1 delta x2 and delta x3 are 0. So dk and AD equal to 3j minus r plus m. 3 into 4 minus 3 plus 4, 3 plus 3 it is 6. So it is theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4, delta y1 and delta y2. So in this way we can find out static indeterminacy and kinematic indeterminacy for a beam. ठीक है. Same way we can find for a plane truss, plane frame with internal hinge and grid. ठीक है. इक्वेशन याद रखो. ठीक है. सिंपल एग्जांपल है, इक्वेशन याद रखो. ठीक है. वेरी इजी.